welcome back to my channel. If you are watching this video, then you are either in search of a versatile business solution or maybe you are interested in knowing the future of this unicorn company which is widely known as OnPassive. So let me introduce the company first. OnPassive is an IT company which offers a wide range of excellent tools and services to its members that are required to automate the entire marketing operations, thus providing a hands-free experience of doing business online. OnPassive is founded by Mr. Ash Mufarrah in July 2018, and this company has already proved to bring a paradigm shift on the way business is done. There are many multiple benefits of being part of OnPassive, and here are few of them I am telling you about that why the founders fall in love with OnPassive. Number one is full business automation. OnPassive is an artificial intelligence driven marketing solution that takes control of your business operations and turns it into autopilot mode. From recruitment to selling product online, it covers the entire process and gives freedom from monotonous and tedious day-to-day business activities. Number two is, you may say, that access to free marketing tools. Once you become a founder at this precious company OnPassive, you gain access to all free and cool tools designed for your business needs. Number three is online free guaranteed traffic. Free guaranteed traffic. The integrated artificial intelligence keeps surprising with its capabilities of pulling free visitors to your site. It automatically understands your business requirements and designs campaigns to pull free traffic to the business site. Its lines of benefits doesn't end here. So guys, let me introduce the other operations also. Now I'm telling you the main reason that explains why many individuals join OnPassive. The most important is financial freedom. OnPassive is able to attract many business owners to become founders and starts using its unlimited benefits and features. But how is it able to do it? The answer is its unique compensation plan and spillover features. OnPassive is widely known to have a 3:10 forced matrix designed for its founders, which means only 3 members allowed at one level and the other level goes till 10. So the 3 members at the first level and goes on as 9 members at second, 27 at the third level, and so on till the 10th level. When all positions at one level gets filled, the enrollment passes on to the next level. If there are more members at one level and there is a vacancy in the following, then the enrollment of that member, if fall on the next level, there the position may be empty. This feature not only shows you to earn out of the enrollments of member done by you, but also by the enrollment that was done by the someone above you. This is called the spillover feature. Compensation plan is even better because it offers you a cumulative earning out of each package you purchased for each level. Number can be higher with the level and the package that you purchase. Higher the income means more financial freedom and a continuous residual income which is paid instantly directly to you. So guys, there is no reason for an individual to stay away from the business and financial benefits of OnPassive membership. You are bound to fall in love with this emerging market and leader and its offers. So guys, hope you would like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel, and you must hit the bell icon also so that you can get all new notifications at my coming videos in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.